how to cancel your Talkspace subscription step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your Talkspace, or you can get into the application or the web version of Talkspace.com. And then from there, what you're going to do is make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you're logged into your account, what you're going to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner right here. After tapping on that profile icon, you'll actually be able to find the option of manage subscription. What you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find manage subscription. Tap on it once you find it, and after tapping on manage subscription, you'll actually need to scroll all the way down. Then you'll be able to see the option of cancel subscription on the bottom. What you're going to do is simply tap on cancel subscription, and then you can confirm the cancellation, and that is all you need to do in order to cancel your Talkspace subscription. So if you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.